To ensure our personal safety, we must be aware of all the maintenance that is required for our motorbike. The first steps to address these maintenance practices is to perform routine pre-ride inspections. So in this video, we're talking about the pre-ride checklist. The pre-ride checklist is a quick inspection of your motorbike at the beginning of every day you go for a ride. The checklist includes checking the throttle free play and return, chain tension, brake fluid level and brake lever pressure, tire pressure, the lights and the horn, and checking the emergency switch. To check the throttle free play, you should find 1 to 2 millimeters of throttle twist before the throttle engages the motor. Also check that the throttle moves freely from 0 to 100% and springs back to fully closed. To check the chain tension, see the specifications on the chain guard and check the free play according to the guide. Check that your brakes are firm and have consistent pressure with a few pumps of the levers. To check the brake fluid levels, for the front we can find the front brake fluid reservoir. Make sure that the fluid falls above the minimum amount. For the rear, we have the reservoir and pump in one unit. See the sight glass on the rear side of the pump. If either of the reservoirs are below the minimum level, reach out to your local dealer. Check your tire pressures for the front and rear tires. As well as chain free play information, our chain guard also displays information about recommended tire pressures. Set your tire pressures to 42 psi front and rear. Check that all your lights are working properly. Low beam, high beam, rear running light, rear brake light, front and rear turn signals, and the horn. Check your emergency switch and make sure that all 3 positions can be set properly. That's it for the pre-ride checklist. Now get out there and hit the road safely, and be sure to tune in for our next video on chain maintenance.